Hello from Hakuna Matata. This video is to give you a small tour of our app Finance Tracker, an easiest way to keep track of your expenses by just click of a pic. We all have tried up various ways of storing our daily expenses, be it in a diary where we write about it at the end of the day, or be it in an app. But these methods are really tedious as they involve writing, our memory, calculations are also being tested. Also, suppose we are back from a grocery shopping with 50 items on the list. Now, that won't be a task that can be done easily. So, we thought of using the OCR capabilities for this purpose, in which we can scan a bill and it adds up all those items to our expenditure, or we can add them manually if the items are less on the bill. But there are many apps where where you can store the photo of the bill, but that was not a good way to analyze your expenditure as it provides potentially no data for analysis process, and that's where our Finance Tracker app beats all. We have implemented a machine learning algorithm to classify the detected items from the bill into various categories such as food, clothing, stationery, etc. Now, that was some information we obtained from analysis and visually represent it in the form of pie chart, which simply detects about which category is taking up major expenses from my pocket, so one can plan for saving accordingly. We wanted to add few more features that improve the analytical experience of our user over expenses, but this limitation of time and lack of knowledge in finance was a major shortcoming for us. We have also fetched data from Yahoo Finance APIs that shows live prices of some top big companies in Indian stock market and some various cryptocurrencies over the world, which can be later used as a source for recommending about investment options to our users. This recommendation will be based on the users data from the analytics and hence will be a potentially great to go app for personal finance tracking and assistance. So let's begin the tour. As you can see in the drawer, there are 4 items: home, profile, market and cryptocurrency. Let's begin our tour from home. Here, as you can see, there are 6 categories and I have added my expenses in all those categories, and the app has automatically classified those. As you can see, I can edit those categories also if I want to add, if I want to change the name. Then also we can do it. You can see that the name is being changed. Now, if I want to delete any product, then also I can do it, and we can manage those. Let's move to pie chart. Inside pie chart, user can visually see in which sector his major expenditure has been made, and he can control his saving accordingly. On clicking on any category, the categories portion has been highlighted in the pie chart. This pie chart also contains the percentage amount of how much he is spending on that category. Now let's move. This is the most important section of our app. This page is divided into 2 major sections: scan your bill button on the top and add product form in the bottom. User can add any product manually by providing its name, category, amount and description. Description is optional, and on clicking this add product button, that product will be added in the expenses. On clicking this scan your bill button, 3 options are popped up inside bottom sheet. First is take photo from camera, choose from gallery and cancel. Cancel will bring us back. On clicking choose from gallery, my images are opened. I can choose any bill. I can crop any bill I want. I can include 3 products, 4 products, as many as I want, or all also. If I want to add only 5 products and cropping it, this image is sent to server and it is running in the background. Soon a rendered list will be available on our screen. See, we can have our 5 products cropped from the list. We can see amount, category and product name here. Category is selected by a machine learning algorithm written by us, and on clicking this done button, all products will be added inside expenses. See, the total spend is changed to 1540.07, and I can see my products here. Inside pie chart, all the percentages are also changed, and I can see my bill contained more of hygiene products than the rest of. This was about clearing, adding and deleting the expenses. Moving forward to the profile page, here we can see our personal information, monthly income, expenses and target to save are provided by the user. This month's status is seen here, and we can edit those values also. If I want to reduce this and write another name, I can do it. On saving, these changes will be implemented instantly, and I can see my status is changed to red color. I can cancel also. Moving back, we can see here market today option. It shows us the status of Sensex and Nifty, two big stock market exchanges. Here we can see top 30 companies listed in Sensex, and we can see top 50 companies here listed in Nifty 50. Those who are going in profit are in greens, and those who are going in loss are in reds. Same for cryptocurrency. Some top world famous cryptocurrencies are here. These are fetched from Yahoo Finance APIs. Top gainers are listed here with their logos, and top losers are listed here with their prices and percentage of growth or losing. Thank you very much for giving us your precious time to watch our whole video.